You know, sometimes in life you have two choices. Spend a pile of money replacing something, or make good use of what you already have. Today, my beautiful viewers, we're putting a tarp over this 20 by 40 outdoor tent. Now, before somebody jumps into the comments and says, James, you should have bought a new tarp, let me explain something. This tarp may be used. It may have a few holes. It may not look perfect, but it still works. And in today's world, saving a few $100s matters. A lot of people throw things away the minute they're no longer perfect. I come from a different generation. We learned to repair things, reuse things, and get every bit of life possible out of what we owned. That mindset has saved me thousands and thousands of dollars over the years. Now, don't get me wrong, eventually this tarp may need to be replaced, but right now it still keeps most of the weather off the tent, and that's a whole lot better than having no cover at all. Today I've got a couple extra workers helping me, and I'll tell you something right now. Jobs like this go a whole lot easier when people work together. One guy pulling, one guy guiding, another guy keeps tension on the tarp. Teamwork. You know, there's also something satisfying about taking care of your own property. Every little improvement adds up. Maybe it's fixing something, maybe it's mowing, maybe it's putting a tarp over a tent. It all contributes to making the place functional and looking cared for. And this tent serves a purpose. At the end of the day, you can stand back and actually see what you got done. That feeling never gets old. Now, one thing you learn doing projects like this is to take your time. If you rush, that's when you tear the tarp, pull out grommets, or somebody gets frustrated. Slow and steady usually wins these jobs. The workers did a great job helping me out today. Everybody pitched in, worked together, and before long, we had the tarp stretched over the tent and secured down. Mission accomplished. And the truth is, from a distance, that used tarp still looks pretty darn good. A lot of people would have spent hundreds replacing it immediately. Me? I'll use this until it truly reaches the end of its life. That's just how I was raised. Use it, maintain it, repair it, appreciate it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with being practical. Well, my beautiful viewers, I truly appreciate you spending part of your day with me. If you enjoy these real-life projects, country living, saving money, fixing things, and working together as a family and team, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And let me ask you this. Would you replace the tarp immediately, or would you keep using it as I did? I'll see you in the next video.